how to fix this PlayStation 5 headset. Like they are very weak on here. Welcome to the channel, guys. We're gonna try how to fix this. Just a little bit of time and we could get it good and running. Okay, that's my son tried to fix, but he tried at least. He done a good job for a bit, but after that it broke more even. We could deal with that. Stay tuned. So let us see what we need for this little project. All these, maybe, knowing that you could use them anyway. We move them away and show you what we need to use. Scissors, super glue, screwdriver, and probably like cutter like that will do the job too, but we'll leave it on the side for now. And what we could do, we could cut like a little piece of that. Let me empty that. See how, if you could see like this groove in here. Just we could cut from here to there and along there to make like a little or something to hold to the side of the headset. For these headsets, a little tricky how to fix. I tried to search on YouTube and everywhere, but no one have a video yet like you could do like an older packaging cover or something. Got this one and I'll show you what I mean by that. Like you could just cut along the edge. Cut it to the size you need, and we're going to see on this one, after you're sticking it with the super glue, of course. I got some super glue in here, so it's stuck now and dry. So we put this one on the edge, like that. Okay, now you cut it to size to fit like on the edge, like see this little corner there, just like cut it short a little bit, and just not to hit the other side, and you put it like that after you glue it, of course. So just we need some glue to that, and we could do that from one side and the other side. That would be great. This part a little bit tricky because not a lot of area to stick in, because this one awkward how turning. So I think we use our creation. So yeah, we could use this one as we as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, something like that. Actually, I use this electrical tube, just maybe cut section from here. Maybe to sit like that for support. Or maybe the other way. Yep. Okay, let us shade it really. So after dried already like looks and feels sturdy. So I cut like 2 of these opposite direction. So one goes here on this side and one will go on the other side. So alright. Looks alright. Now we do the other side. Done. I used hard plastic, so not really that flexible. Yeah, but this will do the job. Yeah, will do the job definitely, and yeah, you don't have to go and buy a new one. So now some cleaning, and maybe we'll put some sticker there, or recolor it. We'll try gold. Sorry for this sound. I think my son gonna be happy with that. Yeah, I think some sticker will do the job better even. You can get creative with these things. So if you use more flexible plastic or softer plastic, I think will do better and will be easier than this. For example, if I used something like that, you can wrap it all the way around, so and make like a nice little edge everywhere. Yeah, I think that's it for this PlayStation headset. That's how to fix it, and especially as I mentioned before, like this part in here, very weak, and for the guys playing the game and sometimes they get frustrated, probably they chuck it away or something, but don't do that. Just be cool and play the game for fun, not for winning or losing. Yeah. This will do. Yeah, also forgot to mention we could use these little straws. They come with the jelly tops. They made from harder plastic, harder than the normal straws we usually see. We just cut it in half again along the length, and will give us this channel, and we could glue it to the broken part too, and we'll do the job definitely. And again, this one fell off. the sponge here, the cushion, whatever, fell off. I think because loose or broken. Yep, this one. So again, don't forget, there is left, right, and on the headset the same thing. So I'm gonna check with this. If you get to take these off, but hopefully not. Just like to fix these ones, because it took me a long time to fix the inside because the wire was broken. Yep. And I think we fixed something today, and hopefully you do. Alright, thanks guys for watching, and if you think this helped with any way, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and would be appreciated. If you have like different ideas or anything, just leave us a kind comment and we could share it and we help each other. Thank you. Bye.